suicidal, natural means of committing suicide. Or we can't NGI be at the school. When I'm talking, now say, now what has science? Now me has says. The child opened up. Muma be okuzawa. Or say na born no natural means of committing suicide. Not can actual. Not by all means. Not just before the next visit. Kobana haburi anozu.
Okay, boarding school.
Boarding school. So immediately, and see on board the parents. I say, "Ma, what can be tea in a school?" And see, I represent the case. Board the mom. And see, I we make case. Get on wagon. Here, me give your office. Because Moriabia, the woman drive for with speed. Getting where. So see, love a child. They wanna show you to. Or see, Moria. See, please sit down. Can you make arrest? Make we put rules in our guide. Psychological abuse.
Yes.
See, sit down. Now, was you see, you have killed this child. You would have carried him dead. Why? Or say for what reason? Kata or me wafma or the mesofma or natano no de lazy. That's the depression. They are not paying attention. That's why there's need for
attention.
Awareness.
Yes.
Then before I solve what problem, teachers will be aware. Parents will be aware. Imagine the teacher calling. Many of the teachers are doing this. I give them kudos. That's the truth. Oh, my God, no kata about parents. Check here, but parents are man check. Man, when it comes now, to solve it, then I'm going to understand it. Now, how man was only in room has on a may have faith. So, before he load the child must first come home and see a sweet home.
Yes.
Before the child will be healed. Then there are people, parents now, but the parents is always abusing them. Obu not train at school, you are lazy, you a fool. You just prefer to stay in the school. So is it that because there's crisis at home or because the home is toxic, they are abusing the child?
Okay. All right. So can I work at children like this? Because akuzi munkuzi before. So I will go encounter ever a child be put them sim. Miss, my parents prefer my younger sister than me.
Yeah.
Well, say I was saying because she's more intelligent. They feel she's more intelligent. Say how? Oh, but what was him that if I want to get and that makes him not abuse Z anyhow. So always the upper hand to abuse, and then the parents will now be defending. Nke bukwana onya choro okwu because na nke a na-achọ okwu ama ha okwu they have feeling no they waste money. So ihe na-ekwu now I have I'm going to be a witness. I've got something like that. Now ihe choro iju now. Can this thing affect these children in the society?
Wow.
Or how can the society affect these children? Because they believe no, it works hand in hand.
Okay. A child that is looking for a way out will enter into what I call negative coping mechanisms, which is addictions. A former's EWMA case now is cocaine addiction. And she is 12.
She. And 12 years
the
for that matter.
The case we handle na dikwa kagasin or movie. That she's 12 and don't dig addicted with it for 3 good years. Now what her problem was on her chop kogi sisikwani ha na Imana most of us when they came that some people are Christians, some are this and this. What no matter the one you believe, whereunke ihe be hojo, we be na diroma. Now these children, because of there's a lot of things, you know, there's obligations, there are rules, there's a lot of things they don't know how to come to you. If a mother is very toxic, if a mother is hard, like my kind of people, I have youth that I coordinate. I have a community where I nurture youth as well. Then the way people ask me, how do you bring them together? Like this Sunday, we are going for orphanage visits. It's not going to be a small visit. These are the youth. And it's a community. Somebody's asking, how are you bringing them together? I'm giving them listening ear. And these are core members, both the one who has passed out, working, and the ones who cannot work. So I brought them in together. That's a big community, WhatsApp community.
Yes.
You understand? This WhatsApp, we've been not sure. Because from Ega school now for these children hurting is what bettered the community. I needed a community whereby see school pretend can wear phone and add there so I can see them get better. Now, one thing they deal with, one of the things that made me to go and study and get certified as an addiction counselor is what I've seen. I want to discover why they are coping with it. There are some of these children who has been abused at home, even by their parents.
Yes.
Sorry to say this.
Yeah.
A father abusing a daughter. And when I ask, is it biological or is it an adopted child? I don't know. So these children, in the case of the girl that is 12, the father abuses her.
And Donya Moria.
And Donya Moria. So what she does, o man gwa me. Opro ne madu gi.
Oburo mmadu gi.
Ihe o mebu. O na eje akwụ one boy ụgwọ. O gakwuru the ban. Say na ọ na-achọ m izugwa the man yemo say don't want ọ ga na ya cocaine ọ ga na anwụ. Ni ọ ga na mebu ya na ezu ego ha.
Ego parents.
Yes. Maka the drugs is very expensive.
Oh, the very expensive.
So by all means, that girl has that 12. Since my father is abusing me, let me sleep around. So
at 12.
cocaine na on a TC and haba. Oru na ena abani the man na abata. Or say. So that quite for that this my father. That lady, that small girl is damaged. On a have long oro can no ya. On a take a 4 months can no.
He have a lifetime or actually.
Because that girl's esteem has been damaged. It will take God in the middle of this to sort it out. Because when she remembers it's her father, that's another transgenerational trauma. But thank God if you see this guy, you won't believe that's the one we met. So we're talking about that the reason, one of the things that the end product sometimes is that addiction. Some of them, they won't get this rampant now. Nke bozi ya na ewuzi, bozi pornography, masturbation. So anyhow, and these children, they were abused by their colleagues in school. I got both secondary schools, primary and universities. There are ladies in schools and university. These guys are cultists as agaya. So on aganu zoke target na aga abuse. So you get maybe do na something as a child. So when they on a classroom, like in one my sister there, I think she's 12 or 13. Nata just change area school, the middle of the town. Can you hear one of the boy go real, something special will tell you. It's not meat pie and drink. Thank God no reading. Where you not go see a meal. Or the next day, the boy said, you didn't eat it. I said, how did you know? So she was worried. He made the guy
so Malu no read here.
Opotaze, let me ease myself. Or look at the boy and one of the teachers are together. Or see, one look at teacher and say, it is kwaria ansigiti go wike like yagi. Now a teacher, I make the lady arrest actually. She's arrested already. And the school have to be worried. What sort of people
do you employ?
So if I cannot damage these children, they are so much. But if parents do their job well, there are many of these that will be so reduced. First of all, pay attention to them. They won't have secret. They will tell you everything. When they begin to tell you everything, you've warned them. They will come and say there's a guy harassing, like that my sister's child now. Came in a minute, they said this guy is harassing me immediately. Again, the boy never, I liked her and my teacher. My parents said the guy is Jimoni. I was 12 years, 12 years, 30 years. Boy, I said no, or like can any sense like a chokana boy, or sit through the teacher. The teacher said, "Oh, get Syria, or you, or like is there." So, parents, now my sister, they pay attention to this.
And double no good communication child. With the child.
That's what I mean.
Yes.
Good communication is listening ear.
Yes.
Open they hear that listening attention. Or man, or we call Naruto read that thing.
Or we go in our school before about ourselves.
What has happened? She has been sexually abused over and over again. About aka onye nkuzi. Dikunia.
Onye ga na-edoweziri ha ọnọdụ ebe ha ga na-anọ during school hours.
Ow.
Okay, so a lot of parents na this show. I know I meant to able this thing because I believe in the Gen Z kita, we have a lot of work. We have a lot of work. All of them, Mamu presenter.
Gen Z.
Manager, you go counselor. My parents no. Ndị agwa m ha agbaka m mbọ kwanu nni ihe tinye n'ọnụ to the extent the man pay attention to your child. So how na affect the society, and to society mean ndị ha na-meet na compound, ndị ha na-meet na school, ndị ha na-meet na church. So your child bụ na ọ bụ I'm sorry to say it, a bad child, onwe ezo ha ọfụma, ọ ga affect other people.
And the society.
Yes, in the society, ọ ga affect other people. But open you a question for our counselor on our house. Bomb na 0706 048 5853. Bomb ka Malu ka a ga-esi wee nyelu unu aka. Imagono otu ọbụla o si na di in terms of ọbụna ịma na your child already need the help. Our parents the sensitive.
Yeah.
But hammer how to go about it. It going he shout to go go quiet, but enyero or na-ema ha okwu dị atọ but ị na-anụ for the first time, but uche gị agbatawago na one or two things. Biko kpọọ na 0706 048 5853. Nna na cheta azụ ka anyị kpọtụ obere egwu. Mgbe anyị jichepụta ka anyị bidokwa ebe anyị kwụsịrị. Yes, so ọkwụnna ha anụ ya Jennifer Eliog na-agwa anyị ihe egwu agwa m nso na a na-eti egwu na-enene na lyrics na-ege lyrics, ọ dị very important. Akwụ ga-abụrụ anything na-abụrụ ezigbote nwa azụrụ azụ. Mgbe oge gị ruo, ndị be unu ga-abịa gbaa ezigbo egwu anụpụ gị n'onye ga-ezigbo nwoke nke nwoke kwanụ gị nwa na onwe gị bụrụkwanụ ịmago na afụkwanụ nwoke kwụdebe ife akwụdebekwa ya ịghọta. Biko nu onwekwa otu ọzọ a ga-esi wee mụọ nwa dị mma, nwa ezigbo nwa dị mma, nwekwana ezigbo society na-abụrụ parents itinye anya ebe ụmụ ha nọ, because charity begins at home. Anything ị chọọ ime ị ga-ebidogodo n'ụlọ wee pụba n'ilo. So it's very important that parents chelo ụmụ ha ọfụma, tinye anya ebe ha nọ, mee ya ha kwesịrị ime. Cheta na tupu nga break a na-enwe m a certified mental health and addiction counselor afia bụ Joy Orji, onye bụ executive director JOFAD nke pụtalụ Joy Orji Foundation for Hope and Development. And ọgwaga ihe inspire ya into imago imepe this organization or NGO rather, yes. So ihe ọfụ, and if na ezigbo nwaanyị ezigbo mmadụ, a lot of us adị alike ka things go wrong into society ebe anyị makwa that we can help. O mean na anyị ga-agagharị ya school nweta certificate ma ya bụ na ọ dị legal, so that ebe ọ na anyị na-aga agba anyị eto ogologo ịghọta. So ọ na-adị very important, anything ị chọrọ ime, what is worth doing is worth doing well. Ọ bụrụ about how far, no how well ka ị gago onye, and if you go na Joy Orji agago far and well in it. So today I with a mental health awareness everybody no mazi. In fact, awareness ka anyị na-create parents no ndị na-ege anyị ntị. Ọ bụrụ na iwe guardian were a parent, ọ bụrụ ngwa amụrụ nwa m, adị m sure na ị na-achọ ka onye ọbụla ị na-guide, onye ọbụla ọ bụ na onye nwa nọ n'okpuru gị na-enede anya ka ọ pụta a good child tomorrow. At least a na-abụ asị na nwa mee ọfụma ajụ ese kedu onye mụrụ nwa, ị ga-adị proud of yourself pụtasị na onye mụrụ nwa.